What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and I'm excited to share an incredible list with you, over 130 plus free AI tools that I've curated for you. This isn't just a random list, it's a well-researched collection of tools that I've explored extensively to help you unlock their full potential. Before we dive in, here's how to get the list. Drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. And once you do, I'm going to reply with an AI automation that sends you direct access to everything for free. Now, this isn't just about exploring AI tools. I'm also going to show you how to actually make money with them. Many of these tools have personally helped me automate tasks and generate about $100 daily, and I'm here to walk you through how you can do the same. So alongside the list, you're going to be getting a free course in the resources to start implementing these strategies right away. Now, here's what you can expect is the top tools that go beyond the basics. I'm not just going to mention ChatGPT or image generators. I'm going to cover how to use these tools in ways that actually build income, whether it's automating outreach or creating content or scaling your online presence. I'm going to focus on practical ways that you can make money with AI. Let's dive in, because today I've got a ton of really cool stuff to share. And if you're busy or in the middle of something, feel free to come back to this later, because there's a lot that we're going to be going through. So buckle up. First is the digital playbook. This is where you're going to get access to the free course. So go here. Should already have an account, obviously. So if you're completely brand new, first time watching this channel, this is where I suggest you start. Just kind of go over what's the course. Obviously, I would suggest joining the Discord, but it gives you everything from creating daily checklists, everything that you really need to get started. And then we have the list of 130 plus different AI tools. All these tools I've used and checked out. The ones up here are the ones that I've promoted, and some of these are the ones that we're going to be talking about today. Pixel, Leonardo, GSA website, 11 Labs. But like I said, if you want this list, just go ahead and comment in the description. But the first one that I want to talk about is Leonardo.ai. This AI tool lets you create images, also lets you add motion to these images. Look at this right here. Pretty cool. Also different presets. Also, this tool is completely free. I have a plan, but every day you'll get 150 credits. And to generate something, it only takes 11. So image, let's go. But what you can do with something like this tool is, I did it in Square. Over here, you can see the different dimensions. If you want to make long form, I should have done this right here. But let's say you're wanting to create like a faceless YouTube channel using a tool like this. And then if you go to generate motion, you can make the image actually move. So let's see what that looks like. Not sponsored, but these things are gas. You can do a lot of cool stuff with this. Once this generates, I'll take you back to the home screen. Normally, as you see right here, it says like 27. It normally takes like 60 seconds to fully generate the motion for this video, or an image that you're trying to add motion to. So look at this. Turn that image into a motion right here. Pretty sweet. So image creation, motion. A lot of these things up here I haven't really messed with, like the canvas editor or the real time, but like motion, image, and upscale. Upscale just adds a little bit more HD, makes the image look more realistic. So if you have problems prompting, just go to ChatGPT, even though I said I wasn't going to talk about it, but just type something in as far as, can you give me a prompt that is going to talk and be super descriptive about a robot? And then you copy that, bring that over here, copy that, boom. One thing I've noticed is always adding like a stunning realistic 3D render and then detail 3D render at the beginning of the end. And I've noticed that by adding that to the prompt, it just makes it makes the prompt better and generate more detailed images. So next tool I want to talk about is a tool called Pixels. This is what I use to generate some of my thumbnails, and also you can generate titles. This tool, sign up for free through Discord, and then we'll go over to Discord, check that out. Also, if you want to join the Discord, the link will be in the description below. But also, if you want to try out Pixels, click on the link in the description, because you'll get some free credits if you use that link too. I think you'll get 50 credits, and to generate one thumbnail, it costs 10. So to do that, you just want to go to dash prompt, and then let's create an AI warrior is so let's see if something like this comes up. Now a lot of these I generate for different thumbnails, so I can edit and kind of pick which ones I want. And I'm curious to see how many credits I have as well. But this software is really cool. It's been out for a couple months, and they've just been adding and making features a lot better. See, that's pretty cool. Now something like this too, you could download it, bring it into Leonardo, and then you can make it move. So that is cool. Gonna download that. But how you can use this tool to make money, obviously, is you can use it for affiliate marketing, or you could start like your own thumbnail agency, where that takes us into our next tool, Phantom Buster. So what this tool allows you to do is it allows you to scrape emails from different platforms. If we go to solutions, Instagram, allows you to do a bunch of things. So like auto follow, auto comment, photo likes, post scraper, extractor, all these things. So what you would do is scrape that, then you'll have a bunch of list of whichever you'd want to do. So for a thumbnail, obviously, does it have YouTube? Because that would be the best. No, maybe LinkedIn. So obviously I'm just giving you an example about what you can use. But also what I really like this tool is if you're starting a brand new social media account, whether it's Instagram, I like Instagram, you can kind of get engagement and activity going by using this platform. Now, if you want a more step-by-step of how to actually use it, just go to YouTube and then type in Phantom Buster tutorial, and there's plenty on there. I mean, that's how I learned how to do this. But if you would like me to create one, I definitely can, but I have not. But then this takes me into the other tool I want to talk about, which is not really a tool. It is called onlinejobs.ph. So this is where you're able to go and hire a VA to help you with some work for about 4 hours. 4 hours a day? No, not 4 hours. $4. $4 an hour. So let's go with admin. I think that comes around like $700, which, yeah, 800. Or you can just hire him part-time. But whether you're starting off or if you have a little bit of money to invest, this can take a lot of your admin or time that you could be doing other things to dedicate and build a relationship with someone on here, as far as creating short forms, or maybe you need help with like email marketing. I would definitely suggest going here. Next tool, and the tool that I use for my backend and CRM, is a tool called Gold High Level. You've definitely probably heard of this tool, but this is what I use to send emails, automations. I don't really use this for Facebook and Instagram comment automations, because this right now is for posts. I use ManyChat. For what you're able to do is when someone comes to your funnel, puts in their information, then they get put in a automation where they will get followed up with whatever tool that you are promoting. This automation, for example, is promoting high level and the digital playbook. Now, if you want this automation already done for you and import it into your system in the digital playbook right over here, you have the option to go down here and just click right here, and it will allow you to import everything that you see in my account, all the automations, all the websites, all the custom values. But also another really cool thing about Go High Level that I use is their social planner, which allows you to schedule out your content. Now there's plenty of like social planners out there, like Metricool, Radar. There's another one that it's not Bumblebee, but it's something like that. I just use this because I like having everything all in one location. But what this allows you to do is you can batch create content, and then like on a Sunday, you can upload everything into here. So you can schedule out content for the week. So I have all the way next basically 2 weeks. So now all I have to do is just go in here and schedule out the content, which saves so much time. Now, if you're kind of like, oh, I don't know what content to use or whatever, what I give you is a list of done for you content or IG Reels. It's basically short form that you can, it's already in a Google Drive, but all you have to do is just download it. So right here, all these have different proven to work reels. As you can see, this reel from that creator got this many likes, this many comments, and what my team has done is just recreated it and put that in a Drive link for you. Then the last tool that I want to talk about that's really cool is called Suno. It allows you to create AI music, and once you create it, it's actually yours and you can promote it and get paid from it. So let's go with into your own lyrics or describe a song. So I'm going to describe a song. So song about fall leaves and let's make it a we'll go chill song, chill hop. And this is another free tool. Obviously, you get 50 credits, but if you use the link in the description, you actually get 250. And every time you create, it's 10 credits. Now, I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to hear this, but let's see. No, it's not. It's about to, oh, it's still loading. So here we go. Write a song about fall, leaves, and hot chocolate. That's what I wanted. All right. Autumn Whispers is the title. Now watch this. This is unbelievable. I don't think people really realize where we are with the AI stuff. Now I'm gonna click it. This is about to be dope. You can see right here the lyrics. Leaves falling down with ease. Like if I didn't know this was AI, I wouldn't know. I would think it was actually somebody. Let's listen to this one. Bro, this is so dope. So there's just so much you can do with this. You can make music videos to where you take this song or you use this, create an AI song, then you go to Leonardo, you use images, and you can put together a whole music video. There's just so much you can do. But yeah, what we did is we covered Go High Level, Pixels, Leonardo, Phantom Buster, all this stuff. I know it's kind of a high level. If you want more in-depth on anything, whether it's from doing more affiliate marketing, or, doing more service-based stuff by creating like a thumbnail agency, I can definitely make videos around that. But let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one, AI pros. Happy money making.